Welcome to the TopPick Lab. The best Centric is probably one of the most innovative products I've reviewed this year. It's designed to solve a common problem, and it does so with impressive efficiency and style. In this video, we'll dive deep into its features, performance, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right choice for your needs. So, buckle up as we explore the ins and outs of this game-changing product. Number 5. Tommie Copper Women's Shoulder Support Shirt. This shirt is designed specifically for women. It offers shoulder support and posture correction, helping you feel more confident and comfortable throughout your day. The compression technology provides gentle support to your shoulders and back. It helps improve your posture, reducing strain and promoting better alignment. This shirt also offers UPF 50 sun protection. It helps shield you from harmful UV rays, making it perfect for outdoor activities. The shirt is made with comfortable, breathable fabric. It provides gentle compression without restricting your movement, allowing you to stay active. This shirt is specifically designed for women's bodies. It offers a flattering fit and provides the support you need to feel your best. What we like. This shirt offers posture correction, helping you maintain good form throughout the day. It also provides UPF 50 sun protection, shielding you from harmful UV rays. If you're looking for a comfortable and supportive shirt that also protects you from the sun, you should consider it. What people say. It takes time to get used to the compression, but once you get it on you can feel the difference in your back. This Tommie Copper tee is such a help with my posture. Terrific support. Number 4. Centric Premium 120.40068 Brake Rotor. This brake rotor is designed to fit a variety of vehicles, including Acura ILX and TSX models from 2016 to 2022 and 2009 to 2014, as well as Honda Accord and HR-V models from 2005 to 2021 and 2016 to 2022. It's a versatile choice for your braking needs. The Centric brake rotors feature a painted hat and outer edge. This design helps to resist corrosion, extending the life of the rotor and maintaining its performance. These premium brake rotors utilize advanced metallurgy. This provides optimal heat transfer and structural strength, ensuring smooth, vibration-free stops. Experience consistent stopping power with these rotors. They have an optimal surface finish, providing a reliable feel from the very first stop. Precision balancing contributes to vibration-free performance. The rotors are built with an OE vane design and plate thickness. This design enhances heat capacity and strength, ensuring the rotor can handle demanding braking situations. What we like. These brake rotors are designed with corrosion resistance, ensuring longevity and durability. They also feature optimal heat transfer for consistent performance. If you prioritize safety and want a reliable braking system, you should consider these. What people say. The Centric brake rotors are a perfect fit for this car. It looks great and is very well machined. Rotors were nicely packaged in individually shrink-wrapped boxes. Once you take them out, a bit of brake degreaser on the rotors and wiping off the residue got them ready to go. The baked-on black enamel paint looks great. The rotors didn't need any adjustments and tolerances are fine. A plus is the painted non-pad surfaces to prevent rust and provide a nicer-looking rotor through the wheel. 2 rear rotors, 120.40068, were delivery within a few days and fit great. Even the 2 rotor hold-down screws used during car assembly lined up perfectly. Once I installed them I noticed my braking ability was greatly improved and took a 2,500-mile trip to Texas. Brakes worked great without any problem or squeal. Number 3. Centric Premium 120.44146 Brake Rotor. This brake rotor is designed to fit a variety of vehicles, including Lexus, Pontiac, Scion, and Toyota models. It's engineered for a perfect fit, ensuring optimal performance and safety for your car. The Centric brake rotor features a painted hat and outer edge. This design provides excellent corrosion resistance, extending the life of the rotor and maintaining its performance in various conditions. The rotor is built with advanced metallurgy for optimal heat transfer and structural strength. This technology ensures smooth, vibration-free stopping, enhancing your driving experience. It has an optimal surface finish for consistent stopping power from the very first use. Precision balancing further contributes to vibration-free performance, providing a smooth and reliable braking experience. The rotor incorporates an OE vane design and plate thickness. This design enhances heat capacity and strength, ensuring reliable braking performance even under demanding conditions. What we like. These brake rotors are designed with corrosion resistance, ensuring longevity and durability. They also feature optimal heat transfer for consistent performance. If you prioritize safety and want a reliable braking system, you should consider these. What people say. These are great. Perfect fit for a 2010 Toyota Camry, front. The black coating, on the center and edges, does stop all rust and corrosion. The rotors are cheaper than most aftermarket brands, but they seem to work really well. It had a rust protection coating on it, seems to be working too. Installation was a breeze, no fitment issues. Once installed, my brake paddle pulsation problem went away. All of Centric rotors and Akebano ceramic brake pads fit perfect, front and back. The brake felt smoother after 2 weeks. Number 2. Circuit Performance 73.1 mm to 64.1 mm hub Centric rings. Are you tired of those annoying vibrations? These hub Centric rings are precision machined to stop them. They ensure a snug fit every time, providing a smooth ride. This product is made for wheels with a 73.1 mm center bore and vehicles with a 64.1 mm hub bore. It's designed to match your wheel and vehicle perfectly. Made from high-quality aluminum, this product is built to last. It's a 100% authentic circuit performance product, ensuring both quality and performance. Installing this product is straightforward. Simply match the outside diameter to your wheel's center bore and the inner diameter to your vehicle's hub bore. It's that easy. This product provides a secure fit, eliminating any play between your wheel and hub. This ensures optimal performance and a safer driving experience. What we like. These hub-centric rings are precision machined to stop vibrations, ensuring a smooth ride. They provide a snug fit every time, enhancing the stability of your wheels. If you are looking for a simple solution to eliminate vibrations and improve your driving experience, you should consider them. What people say. Fit perfectly and no vibration. It fits perfect, precise tolerance, and appears to be good quality. Took all of 30 seconds and fit beautifully. Number 1. Supreme Suspension's 1.5 Wheel Spacers Kit for Ford. Introducing the Supreme Suspension's Wheel Spacers Kit, designed for your Ford F-150 or Expedition. This kit is engineered to enhance your vehicle's performance and appearance. It's a great upgrade for your car. These wheel spacers are compatible with 2015 to 2023 Ford F-150 and Expedition models. Please make sure it fits your car before you buy it. It's a direct fit for 2WD and 4WD models, but not for those with dually wheels. Each spacer is 1.5 inches thick with a 6 by 135 mm bolt pattern. The M14X 1.5 stud size and 87 mm hub-centric center bore ensure a perfect fit. This design helps to improve the stability of your car. Installation is easy with a direct bolt-on design, requiring no modifications. We recommend using a torque wrench for proper tightening. You may need to shorten the factory wheel studs for safe fitment. The spacers position your wheels 1.5 inches outward, correcting tire rubbing and improving cornering stability. It also gives your car a more aggressive stance. The hydraulic pre-pressed studs help eliminate vibrations. Supreme Suspension's products are thoroughly tested and backed by a limited lifetime warranty. This warranty ensures the quality and durability of the product. You can trust the quality of it. Included are 4 universal tire valve stem caps made from lightweight T6 billet aluminum. They are precision CNC machined with an anodized surface and rust-resistant polymer thread inserts. These caps will protect the valve stems. What we like. These wheel spacers improve your vehicle's stance, giving it a more aggressive look. They offer easy bolt-on installation, making the upgrade straightforward. If you want to enhance your vehicle's appearance and performance with a reliable and easy-to-install solution, you should consider them. What people say. The Centric is a great product. The design is sleek and modern. The features are user-friendly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.